Blink has added two new 2K video doorbells to its smart home lineup, giving buyers a choice between a wired-only model and a battery-powered option. The new Blink Wired Doorbell 2K Plus and Blink Battery Doorbell 2K Plus were announced on May 6th and are now available for pre-order in multiple markets. Both models expand Blink's 2K product range, which was introduced last fall, and focus on sharper video, improved image quality, and smarter motion alerts. The Blink Wired Doorbell 2K Plus is the more affordable option, starting at $49.99 in the US. It is designed for homes that already have doorbell wiring and runs on continuous power. Blink says the wired model records in 2K resolution and uses improved dynamic range to deliver clearer footage in bright, dark, or mixed lighting conditions. The Blink Battery Doorbell 2K Plus is aimed at users who want more flexibility during installation. It also records in 2K resolution and adds a head-to-toe field of view, which should make it easier to see visitors, packages, and activity near the doorstep. Like the wired version, it also includes improved dynamic range for better visibility in challenging lighting. In the US, both doorbells support Blink Video Descriptions, a cloud-based smart alert feature available with a Blink AI Basic or Blink AI Plus subscription. Instead of only sending a basic motion alert, the feature can provide a short summary of what happened at the door. This means users can understand the event without opening and watching the full video clip every time. The new doorbells work through the Blink app, where users can view live video, receive alerts, and manage device settings. Blink is also positioning both models as easy to install, whether customers choose the wired version or the battery-powered model.